Welcome to all. Today I am taking a very common topic, that is paper flowers, which is the part of the origami paper models. So without wasting time, let's start with the paper flowers. For this we require colorful sheets, glue, scissors, sketch pen, and of course if you want to decorate your paper flowers, you can go for any accessories, any decoration material. Let's start with the simple flowers. First of all, take the colorful sheets, make a shape. First, you must notice here the heart shape, fold it, and then adjust in a circular form around the button. Then we have a tissue paper, or you can say paper napkin flowers, fold it, and then make that flowers. Then we have a strip, fold it, and arrange with the circles, and then again we have a different tissue paper which have been formed in the form of tulip flower. You can use these flowers for the greetings, and also you can make that the form of the bouquet, and you can also use 2-3 layers of the petals to make the flower. Hand fan is the other way to make a flower. You have to cut the sheet in a different shape and fold it like a hand fan, and then paste a stick behind it to give the form of the flower. And you can also make a big triangle and fold it upward to give the shape of the flower. You can make the bunches of the flower, or you can overlap the petals with different colors to make a beautiful flower. More example of the paper flowers to decorate the card have been shown here. You can either use a single petals and paste that petals around the circle, or you can draw the flower first and paste on the card. Step by step, some flowers have been shown here. You just follow the instruction and try to make these flowers. And if you want to give them a natural look, you can fold the petals outward so it will look like a real flower. Follow these instructions and try to make these paper flowers. And one more idea I just want to share with you: if you want to make 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers of the same size, first of all make a stencil for the flower and then do drawing and then cut the paper in that shape. In this way you will get equal size of the flowers. More paper flowers have been shown here, but I just want to say one thing more. You can decorate your petals, each and every petal of the flowers, with the glitter, or you can use any paint to give the highlight to your flowers. Rose flower. Do you know how to make that rose flower? First of all, take a circle, cut it in the form of the spiral, and then roll that strip and keep it on the base. You will see that the flower will take its shape itself. Then we have one more beautiful flower here, which is very easy to make it. That first of all, cut the rectangle into the strips and roll each and every strip and then paste on the stick. It will automatically convert into the shape of the flower. Whenever you want to make an origami flower, then please keep it in your mind that always take a scale and fold it according to the instructions which have been given there. Only then you will be able to make the flower. And also the second way, which I have already told you, draw a flower, cut the petals and adjust with the stick. In the end, I must say, try these flowers and decorate your house with these beautiful flowers. Thank you.